Did you know gray seal pups can sleep up to 18 hours a day? Drift into relaxation as you watch this adorable gray seal pup sleeping peacefully on the soft sands, the gentle sound of waves creating the perfect calm. Sometimes, these pups even snore softly, adding to the soothing beachside ASMR. Gray seal pups are born with fluffy white fur, which keeps them warm and comfy during long naps. They often twitch or wiggle their flippers in their sleep. How cute is that? Would you nap like this seal pup? Watch again, relax, and let nature's calm wash over you.